bazala bami Mzitho, welcome to Mkosi noMagajeni. I am uMagajeni, Umkosi wethu namhlanje bazala bami Mzitho. It's about Floyd Shivambu. Guys, Mr. Floyd since removal as SG of EMK party. I think he is losing his mind. Since he was no longer part of, or he resigned from the EFF, from being deputy president of EFF. That is the biggest mistake that he ever made. And I think he realized later, which no man, the party that I've joined is not the party I thought it is. It's not what I thought it is. And maybe by example, because he's from the EFF, uzofika lapha phathelwe phezulu. Can't you know, as the allegations they are saying, the party is all about Umtana Jacob Zuma, which is Ututuzile Zuma, guys. So Mr. Floyd Shivambu, there are allegations that he's going to start his own party, which is called My Way Africa. I really like the name, and I think the name in a power. You know, we really need something like My Way Africa. Let Africa. Maybe Africa might be back, and let Africa unite and be one. We understand. We really need that thing. But is the party going to be a strong party? I do not think so, because of the betrayal he did. But we do know that South African will join the party. Most each and every new party it has. Even a lot of many people after then. I saw a lot of people they are saying it is so wrong of Floyd joining, opening his own part. I don't see anything wrong. Floyd, the person that he betrayed, it was Julius Malema and Ama Fighters. MK, he didn't betray MK, because MK, I feel like low-key betrayed Floyd Shivambu. Just because you cannot put in Begumut as the SG, then you remove someone from being the SG just because Nina believe good what he did visiting the, I don't know whether we should call Bushiri a pastor or a bishop, but to me he doesn't deserve to be called a bishop. I think that reason it is valid for a disciplinary hearing not to be removed, guys. And remember, there were allegations from day one that saying there are people that are not happy, and to be specific, Tutuzile Zuma was not happy of Floyd being the SG of the party. We know that was just an excuse. So guys, but I think the reason Floyd visited the Malawi man Bushiri and now is talking highly of Pastor Zone is because he knows the influence that they have within their church. Even though Bushiri there are a lot of allegations and we are still waiting for his day at court because of cases, and now cases cases, but still we have people that they believe in Bushiri, and they believe that Bushiri same as Pastor Zone, guys. So I think this is the strategy of Floyd Shivambu, the reason he visited Bushiri is because begabona ukuthi izinto asahambe kahle MK, and him being as the SG, he is no longer safe. Begabona ukuthi angacoshwa kunini noma kunini, or maybe he was planning to resign. So guys, Floyd Shivambu said this about Pastor Zone, and I know a lot of people but a lot of people who love Pastor Zone, they will vote for Floyd. The amount of Floyd please do watch the video of Floyd Shivambu, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.
Pastor Zondo is not convicted of any crime. Pastor Zondo is a religious leader who has been leading for a very long time. He has been playing multiple leadership roles in his community and even in the other organizations that we came from. He was coordinating an otherwise very large nationwide interreligious movement. I almost mentioned it in full name. Interreligious movement, which and a lot of religious leaders went to him to say that please pay closer attention to this process so that we still have a voice as Abefundisi and people that are looking after a larger sections of our society. So we did